Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how we can highlight duplicated data in column or row. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just have some data here in a column. Now I'm going to take it. I will click here on format. Then I will go here on conditional formatting. When I have it, I'm going to create another rule. And now you will have it here. Format cells if is not empty. We will go down here below to the custom formula is, and I'm going to write here this. Count if A1 and is bigger than 1. And now I just write here 1. Okay, as you can see, what happened was that the table and table is highlighted because it's different, right? So, I mean, it's the same, but also it's different comparing to other names. So this is how we can actually highlight duplicated data. If this video was helpful, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.